Hello. Today we try to fix Mercedes ML W164 buttons. Steering wheel is used, but it looks quite good, but these buttons looks bad. So what I'm gonna do today, try to change them. I have tried change it couple year ago, but it was not fit. It was not fit these buttons, because here in my car, if I take out a button, is big square. Here is like small circle with button, and I got just buttons, and it was not fit. But now I get to buy whole with frame, so it's big possible that it fits, and I can use it. So now I try to take it apart, take out airbag, and see how it looks in other side. Push full way back and try to see where is this, who holds airbag, what I must push. And I found out that I must not push, but I must insert T27 inside there and unscrew two bolts in one steering wheel side, and there is one more. Here. Yes, I use like this extension because it was tight, quite heavy. And one more thing, Adam from Norway, my friend, if you look this video, congratulations with your new child baby. Best wishes from Lithuania to your family. And so on. Good luck. And now we just opening. Okay, maybe I have opened that, and yes, airbag is loose. So hang it airbag like that. I will try like this to not disconnect connectors. And what I mean, you see, I took out in this big square here, and here is small circles. That's why it's not fit, just buttons. But with frame, now I try to figure out how to take out a whole frame. Maybe just take out, maybe holding just in there. Or maybe it's here with screw. I need two hands to find it out, and after I'm gonna show to you. And it is like it is. First you open that screw, is this longest. After you remove here button, and here under the button is one more screw, this thicker, how to say, this one, this, and now it's moving, yes. So now I take it out. Now need to open those two screws and hope that this plastic fits in my new here. So now I'm gonna check. And here I have taken out, opened those two screws and took it out from this. No, not this. From this. And now how it looks. Something like that. Original was little oil on each like rail. Here is no oil. One bottom is not nice, not a jump back, something sticking. Ours is quite good. So now I try to put and see is it fits and is it works. And guess what? It fits very nice, pushes very nice, and even it slides. It okay, wait. Yes, you see, it have light. So everything is fantastic. Looks nice. And I thought maybe somebody asked, why you not clean them? It's not possible to clean, it's sticky. I don't know what is material, but if you try to clean them, it gets more sticky. Sticky like glue. I have cleaned it many times and no. Same like this button is, I have changed it because it was sticking like rubber, like glue. You touch and yeah, maybe somebody understand what I mean. It's old material and gets sticky by years. Okay, now put some screws and do it to another side. So now one side is finished, everything set together. Now is other side, but it's same story. One screw from here, another screw from inside. Take it out, take another two screws, and now I just holding here one clip, another clip with small screwdriver, but with one hand no, cannot do. And I do, it's cold outside, so car is started. It's a little dangerous, airbag is on connected, but I do carefully. And voila, both is on place, everything tightened. Now this one looks not nice, need new leather, maybe someday. Now is this one. So now I'm gonna put back airbag. Yes, nice buttons. Color little different, but it must be like that. Old, new. So airbag tight, everything set together, before, after. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Like, share and subscribe. Adam, for you, how to say, silent nights, I wish. Good baby sleepies. Bye bye.